In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up in Kajabi in just 5 minutes. Pop-ups can be a powerful tool to capture your audience's attention and increase engagement, whether you're aiming to boost your email subscribers or promote a special offer. Let's dive in and get started on creating an effective pop-up for your Kajabi site. First things first, open your favorite web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the page and click on the login button. It's time to log into your account. You can do this using your email address, or if it's more convenient for you, through your Google account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Kajabi dashboard. On the right panel of this dashboard, there's a tab labeled Website. Go ahead and click on that. Now, within the website section, you'll see an option called Pages. Click on Pages to bring up a list of the pages you currently have or are working on. The next step is to select the specific page where you want to add the pop-up. This is an important decision. Choose a page that aligns with your goals for using the pop-up, such as a sales page or a landing page. Remember, relevance is key when it comes to pop-ups. Once you've chosen your page, it's time to decide on the type of pop-up you'd like to implement. Kajabi offers two main types of pop-ups, the exit pop-up and the two-step opt-in. If you opt for the exit pop-up, it will appear when a visitor is about to leave your page. This can be great for providing a final reminder or offer before they go. You'll find this option under the exit pop-up setting in your page editor. Alternatively, the two-step opt-in appears after a user takes a specific action, such as clicking a button or completing a form. This approach can be particularly effective for capturing warm leads who've shown direct interest in your content or offerings. You can select this under the two-step opt-in option in the page editor. With your pop-up type selected, now it's time to get creative and customize it. Adjust the design, write compelling text, and remember to include call to action phrases that are clear and inviting. Make sure the pop-up is visually engaging but not overwhelming. After you've set everything up to your satisfaction, click Save to ensure all your changes are applied. Finally, always make it a point to test your pop-up. Check that it appears as expected and functions smoothly. This will give you the confidence that your pop-up is set to serve its purpose effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully added a pop-up to your Kajabi page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your new pop-up helps you achieve your marketing goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.